Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Amber. We here at Nuview Library hope you and your family are doing well today. We wanted to invite our patrons to join us in craft time here in this video. We ask for parents and guardians to be present and help if needed. Please press pause at any time. Alright guys, so for today's project we're going to be making a flying kite bird. Alright, so here's a list of materials and supplies you'll need for today's craft. You're going to need a few colored pieces of paper, one that's a normal printer size paper, 8 by 11, two other pieces of paper that can be any size or color. I'm going to be using a pink one, a yellow, and a red one. A ruler, some scissors, a marker, hole puncher, a stapler, tape or glue, and some yarn. It can be any piece of string, but today I'll be using a yarn. Alright, so let's jump right into it. You're going to take your long piece of paper, which is my pink one, and you'll fold it in half, like this, and you'll put it to the side, like this. Then you can grab your yellow piece of paper, your ruler, measure 1 inch, and mark it with your mark on both sides. So 1, and 2. And then just connect both sides. And mark it. Then with the other side, you'll make a triangle. So you'll go to the corner, go where the black line's at, and you'll make a little triangle. It can be any size, it just has to be enough. It looks something along the lines of this. Then you'll take your scissors and you'll cut it. Make sure you cut at least away from the black line so it looks something like this. This will be your beak. So we'll move that to the side. Grab your red piece of paper or other color piece of paper. I'm grabbing my red. And then you'll make a teardrops. So I'll show you what it means. So you go to one corner and you'll just go like this and you'll stop. And you go to your same corner you started with and you go like this and you'll stop. And then you'll make one that's the same length as the last one. And it should look something like this. And one that's slightly smaller, not too small, but a little bit smaller. Something like this. It should look a little bit like this. Alright, and then you'll take your scissors and you'll just cut around it. So all the little pieces are off. Then you're going to take your glue stick, you're going to open it, and you're just going to glue the feathers together. So you can just get one side, and then you can put the smaller one right next to it, like this, and then grab another side, this. And it should look a little bit like this. So then we'll put that to the side and let it dry. And then what we'll do is we'll grab a piece of paper, open it up, and with this we'll glue both sides. So 1 and 2. Make sure you don't glue the outer side because we're going to use that for the beak. So just make sure you glue on the back 2 areas, front and back. And then you'll slide this piece right at the corner of this, and then we'll close it and push down to make sure it sticks. So it should look a little bit like this. And then we'll take our feathers and we'll glue both sides. So 1, 2. But again, we're not going to go on the outer side, we're just going to go to the fur sides, the end of the feathers. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll put the feathers in here, right around here, and we'll close it. So it should look something like this. And then we'll close our glue stick, put it to the side, we'll grab our marker, and where the beak is at, we'll mark our eyes. So we'll just do 1 circle here, and another circle here. So it should look something like this. And then, what you're going to do next is you go to the corner here, and you'll bend it to at least, you'll take the first corner and you'll bend it right about here. So it should look something. You're not going to crease the edge, you're just going to bend it, and it should go at least around here. So it should have a little bit more space towards the center of the paper. And it should be bent at an angle, so it shouldn't have, so the feather to the one side should be a little bit longer than the other. And then you'll do the same thing for the other side. Should be around the same spot. And it should look something like this. And then, do not crease the edges, but all I ask is you just pinch it very lightly. Hold it like this. You're gonna grab your stapler, and you're gonna put it in between. And then all you're gonna do is hold it there, and you'll staple it, mind your fingers, and it should look something like this. And then we'll put our stapler to the side, we'll grab our hole puncher, and then we're going to hole punch right behind the staple, and not touching the other 2 pieces of paper, just the folded creases. And it should go like this. It should look like this. Then you'll grab your piece of string and you will tie it together like this. And then you'll just fix those, and there you go. You have your own little flying bird. Well done, you guys, you finished this project. If you liked this project today, please check out these books. If you liked any of these books, please feel free to go onto our website. We offer express services, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you guys. See you guys next time.